Hello investors, I bring you updates at Peak Luxury Court. If you have subscribed into this estate, I want to say congratulations to you. You are one of the smart ones. And if you're still thinking about it, you want to subscribe, I want to say to you that this is the right time for you to get a piece of land for yourself inside this estate. And here are the reasons why. Today I bring you updates on Peak Luxury Court. When this place was launched earlier this year, about 2 or 3 months ago, this place wasn't the way it is now. This gatehouse was not available, and a lot of things that are inside this estate right now were not available. But as I speak to you now, the play court is being done, the basketball court and the tennis court are being done presently. And as I speak to you now, there is a tractor walking inside, pushing the sand, trying to level the sand all the way so that they can interlock the entrance. And you can see this massive amount of granite here that's going to be used to interlock the entrance. So a lot of work is going on, and the biggest of them all, which is all the investors' delight, is allocation. The first batch of allocation has been done for those who paid outright in this estate. So serious work is going on at Peak Luxury Court. And with all this work that is going on right now, the price has not changed yet. 300 square meters is still selling for 17.5, 400 square meters is still selling at 23.5, and 600 square meters is selling at 35 million naira. And guess what? The title is a C of O, and the location is what killed this place. The location is fantastic. There's nobody I know who loves to invest in property, who has the money, who didn't get a piece of land here. It is absolutely fantastic. It is something that you can build. Even if you don't want to build now, you can buy down now, because when that time comes that you're ready to build, it will be way more expensive than it is right now. Like I said, there's nobody I know that have money and love to invest in property that did not get this Peak Luxury Court. I can give you a whole list, because the location is supreme and it is so prime. Aside the location, the level of development that is going on in Sangotedo right now should also make you get Peak Luxury Court. And what do I mean by level of development? As I speak to you right now, around that market area, which is just a stone throw away from here, a massive water park is coming down there, which is called the Giwa Gardens. The Giwa Gardens is a massive water park, and it's behind that market. Yes, they say it's an hidden location, but we know the location. It is behind the market. And also aside that, this road that goes to the beach, this road here, this monastery road that goes all the way down to the beach, is opening up. And just because it's opening up, there's a massive project that is going on around that area. There's a big data center, huge data center. If you missed that video from me before, you need to go look at it again. A big data center is coming down over there. And because of that development, I can assure you that that water line, that shore line of the Sangotedo beach is going to open up, and people are going to begin to use it. What that means is that as people use, then there will be demands for property around there for people who want to live close to the beach. So if you do not have, if you have money and you don't know what to do with it right now, Sangotedo is where you should come and invest. And when you invest, in 1 to 5 years, you get your money back, because Sangotedo is developing. And aside these two things that I've mentioned, there's also one of the biggest malls in Lagos, right here at Novari Mall, which houses ShopRite in Sangotedo, and that is just 2 minutes away from here. Where I am right now is at the back of that mall. There's serious work going on this road. This road links you back to Sangotedo. This one goes back to Sangotedo. Then when you go like this and you bend a corner there, go straight down to the beach line, then you go straight back. That takes you back to Abramade Soya. So the road network here is fantastic. This place was not accessible before. If you watch this place was not accessible before in terms of you would think twice before you bring your car. I don't care what kind of car you use, you think twice before you bring it here. You may finish using this road and your shock absorber gives up on you. But now the road is motorable. They are still working on it. Look at sand everywhere. That's to show you that they are still working on it. And right in front there, men are at work. At the back here, men are at work. And all the way down to the shoreline, men are at work, which is to tell you that very soon they are going to interlock this road and things are going to change crazily here. The price is not going to be the same. People will now want to come and build here. People are just waiting for things to settle. As I speak to you right now, I don't think a lot of people have building approval yet. When their deed comes out and their building approval comes out, people are going to start building in this area. That's what people are just waiting for. And there's no better place for you to build right now, that you want to build your own house, than this area. This is just off the Lekki, behind ShopRite. Lekki Expressway is just 3 minutes away from here. You have a beach at the back. You have a water park at the market area there. You have ShopRite in front here. This is the best place to be. This is the best place to be. And the major road, which is the Lekki Expressway now, is being done from Eleko all the way down to VI. So if you just connect the road here, in the next 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you're already in Lekki Phase 1. This is beautiful.